Good morning, lovely children. How are you doing? I hope you are all fine and taking good care of yourselves. You are welcome to our grammar lessons today in Basic 2. Today, we are looking at prepositions. Prepositions or simple prepositions. Before we continue with today's lesson, let us quickly have a short review of our previous discussion. Our last lesson was about sentences. Can you remember? Yes, that's good. What did we say sentences are? We said that sentences are a group of words put together to express a complete idea or a complete thought. In other words, these words are put together to give a complete meaning or an idea. Good. With this short review, let us have our focus on today's lesson. Today we are looking at prepositions. And let us look at our objectives. By the end of today's lesson, you should be able to mention at least 3 simple prepositions. You should be able to mention at least 3 simple prepositions. 2, you should be able to use at least 3 prepositions to form your own sentences. 2, you should be able to use at least 3 prepositions to form your own simple sentences. Good. Now let us look at our keyword for today. Our keyword today is preposition. Preposition. Good. What then is a preposition? Preposition is a word used to indicate or show a relationship between a noun and a pronoun in a sentence. Preposition is a word that is used to indicate or to show a relationship between a noun and a pronoun in a sentence. In other words, preposition show where something is either an object or a person. In other words, it indicates the position of an object or a person. So we can say that preposition answers the question where. Preposition answers the question where. When we are looking for the position of an object or a person, preposition answers that question. Children, now let us look at some examples of simple prepositions. 1. In. 2. On. 3. Near. 4. In front of. 5. Under. 6. Into. So these are few examples of simple prepositions. Now let us continue to look at how we can use some of these prepositions in forming simple sentences. Let us look at how we can use them to form simple sentences. So let us consider the following examples. 1. The teacher is in front of the class. For example, you can see me standing in front of the class. So this is my position. When you are asked where is the teacher standing or where is the teacher, you will say that the teacher is in front of the class. So the preposition in this sentence is in front of. In front of. Good. Number 2. Our books are on the table. Our books are on the table. So when we ask the question, where are our books? We will say our books are on the table. So the preposition in this sentence is on. The preposition is on. Number 3, the dog is under the table. The dog is under the table. Where is the dog then? The dog is under the table. So our preposition in this sentence is under. Under. Good. Number 4, our counters are in the box. Our counters are in the box. So when we want to find where our counters are, we are going to look for the counters in the box. So the preposition in this sentence is the word in. The word in. Number 5, mother poured the oil into the gallon. Mother poured the oil into the gallon. The preposition in this sentence is into. Into. So when you ask the question, where did mommy pour the oil? You tell me that mommy poured the oil into the gallon. So the word into is a preposition in a sentence. Very good, children. I hope you have followed the discussion for today's lesson. What have we looked at today? So today we look at what simple prepositions. And we said that by explanation, prepositions are simply words that are used to indicate or to show position or place of an object or a person. In other words, it shows a relationship between a noun and a pronoun in a sentence. Good. I hope you follow the lesson carefully. Now, children, I have a short work for you to do. You have an assignment to do for me. So listen carefully to the instruction. Listen carefully to the instruction. Construct good sentences with the following prepositions. Construct good sentences with the following prepositions. 1. Near. Near. 2. Inside. Inside. 3. On. On. 4. In. In. 5. Under. Under. I hope you followed carefully the instruction. Thank you, children, for your attention for today's lesson. Take good care of yourselves. Until we meet again for our next lesson, is bye.